what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So my channel's been pretty dead lately, and that's mostly because I've kind of been deciding what direction I want to take my channel. I really wasn't sure what to do with it. Do I want to do, installs? Do I want to do vlogs? Do I want to do reviews? And honestly, I'm still not 100% sure the direction that I want to go with my channel, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have some really big news about some things that have been going on. So the first thing is the Charger is gone. I have it on consignment with a dealership right now, and the reason why it's on consignment with them is because I bought a new car. Now, this new car I'm super excited to share with you guys. So a lot of you guys probably don't know this, but I've always been a JDM fanboy. So you name it, I had RX-7s, I had 300ZXs, I've had Supras, and when this car first came out back in 2009, it just blew everyone away. The capabilities of this car, the way that it looks, and also how affordable it is and how it just holds on to its value. You can build it, you can modify it, you can get 2,500 horsepower out of it if you want, or you can even daily drive it, which I'm going to daily drive it and slowly build it. I feel so blessed and lucky to be in a situation where I'm able to go out and buy a car like this. So without further ado, everybody, I would like to introduce you to my new car. Before I go and show you guys this new car, I just want to say a couple things about this video. I'm not very good at doing these vlog style videos. Let me wait for this car to pass. Okay, so I'm not very good at doing these vlog style. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. I am not very good at doing these vlog style videos. I always jumble my words. I always kind of forget what I'm gonna say. I kind of go blank when I get in front of the camera. So I hope that, that doesn't detour you guys away from my channel. I really hope you guys stick with me because, I have a lot of passion for, this new car that I have, and, I just want you guys to stick with me. I want you to watch how I build the car, the fun that I have with it, but I also want you guys to feel inspired because, a lot of the stuff that I do, I don't want people to feel like I'm being braggadocious that I bought a new car. I want people to feel inspired. Someone like me can go out and buy one of these cars. Well, I hope that inspires you to think, well, if he can do it, I can do it. A little bit about myself, about 10 years ago, I was a full-time musician and I was making, $1,500 a month. I paid my rent. I rented a room in a house with a couple other people. My rent was $500. Fast forward to today, I'm a mortgage loan officer. I own a home. I've bought a couple cars now, and cars have kind of always been something that I'm very passionate about. I also play music. I'm passionate about that. But the point that I'm trying to get at is, these vlogs that I do, I just want people to feel inspired by them. This is something that I'm passionate about, and I hope you guys stick with me and watch this build. And if I ever say anything dumb or stupid, call me out on it. Leave it in the comments or message me directly, and I'll try to do the best I can to be better in the next video or be more informative next time or just kind of be more on my game. And of course, the more videos I do, the better I'm gonna be. So I appreciate you guys for sticking with me, and after saying that, I feel a lot better. So here is the new car.
You guys, check it out. Look at how the car came. What? Why would you put those on such a small car? Alright guys, here we are in the GTR. I'm gonna go for a ride. This has to be one of the most amazing cars I've ever driven. I mean, it is ridiculously fast. And you know, I've said this before. I've been a JDM fanboy for a long time, and to have this car is seriously a dream come true. I hope that you guys are inspired by my story, and I really appreciate you guys coming to the channel. Let's just take... Oh, hold on, there's a turkey in the road. I don't know if I'm gonna get some pulls. It's crowded. The streets are crowded right now. Or usually it's like no one, but I guess it's the time for everyone to be getting home from work, so I'll see. Oh, good Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gave it like a 0.25% of the throttle, and that just launched me into the back of my seat. I mean, oh my God. Oh my God. The one thing that I am afraid of is I've got a GoPro attached to my car outside, and I'm kind of nervous. In fact, hopefully there's nobody behind me, but I'm actually going to check it right now and see if it's still there. Okay, it's still there. Okay. All right, let's go. Just at a red light. I'm gonna make a U-turn, and like I said, the car's in full race mode. I might use some paddle shifters just to get the car into the right gear before we take off, and then we'll see how fast it is. This has been a short video just to reveal the car that I've got now. I'm super happy with my purchase and this decision to get the GTR, and from here on out I'm going to be making some really awesome videos about the car. I'm going to be building the car, so do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button, follow me, tell all your friends to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You can find me on Instagram as soon as I decide what my new Instagram handle is going to be. I'll put a link in the description below. And again, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and and I hope I don't scrape my car going down my driveway. But anyways, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.
You guys, I had a GoPro mounted to the side of my car. Here's the side of my car. The GoPro is gone. I had it right here. It was filming the exhaust. It's gone. I'm gonna have to go back out and find it. Oh my God, it could be anywhere. Of course it fell off. Why wouldn't it fall off? I'm just trying to make a video, just trying to get some cool shots, and nope, it fell off. Gotta be kidding me.
Alright, you guys, so I am going out to see if I can find my GoPro that I had mounted on my car. I'm just gonna drive the same path that I was on, kind of slow, and see if I can find it. Wish me luck. I really don't know if I'm gonna find it. There's so many places that it could be. I guess not really so many places. I only went up and down one street one time, but it's a long street, and I didn't even hear it. I got home and I checked and it was gone. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can find it. You guys, I wanted to show you where I found it, but it was like in the middle of the road, and I'm kind of sitting here in traffic in a bad spot. I'm gonna just show you through my windshield where I found it, so hold on one sec. It was in the road right there. I don't know why it fell off at that point in time, but it was right there. I wasn't going fast, I wasn't pulling, I wasn't doing anything, it just fell off. So thank God. And you know what, when I picked it up, it was still recording. So it has 2% battery left, so I cannot wait and see what it picked up.